Hey there everybody, this is Dr. Mark Chern. I am a doctor of Chinese medicine and I practice out of Singapore. I am excited to share something new and different with you today.
Once again, welcome to the Herbs for Nerds series. We are going to cover in these 2 months a little on atopy, and that would include rhinitis, hay fever, eczema, and asthma. And we're going to use the angle of immunology to look at how herbs can be used. I will be sharing this space with Shaun Ang. Shaun Ang is a year 3 student in Nanyang Technological University, and she's doing a 5-year course in Chinese medicine. She has been really helpful with me in finding out more information that we can share with you, and I will be sharing this platform with her. So mast cells are activated in allergic inflammation sites, and that's why we use singular, right? Now, the thing about mast cells is once mast cells are activated, then there's histamine release, and there's actually a release of this whole cascade of things that make you feel not so good. There are 2 other cytokines that are closely related to mast cell activation, and they are IL-6 and IL-8. Of course, this means that if we are able to reduce or inhibit IL-6 and IL-8, that would also be helpful in reducing this cascade of chemical releases. The herb that has an effect on IL-6 and IL-8 is Peimu. Peimu is a Chinese herb that is indicated for phlegm production. And of course, we think of phlegm production as mucus production. Mucus production is increased when there is mast cell activation at allergic inflammation sites, like the airways, for example. Th2 is known as the ship that brings herbs to the chest. It's indicated for diseases of the chest and the throat, and now we understand that Th2 is able to reduce IgE-mediated increases in IL-4 and TNF-alpha. By mitigating IgE antibody-induced effects on IL-4 and TNF-alpha, Th2 is able to reduce downstream allergic effects. Hence, you can think of Th2 as another anti-allergenic herb. And Cortex mori, which is Sang Bai Pi, has similar action as the other herbs mentioned before. And what is interesting is that on top of being able to inhibit Th2 preponderance, it is able to support Th1 and therefore level out the balance. The mechanism has some relation to do with Treg also, which we will not go into today.
I hope you like this video. If you like it, please click like. And also to watch other videos, please hit subscribe below.